So hello everybody, welcome back to Code Arena. I am Amina and today I am going to show you that how to remember notes. Let's say I have an idea of my future video. So I'll just open the notepad here. Let's say I'm opening this, and inside this notepad I'll just increase the font size first and I'll write here future projects. Okay. And after that I'll write several ideas, any ideas. But I'll just save this, and after that I need to remember that in File Explorer, in this folder I am having my notes. So it will not be saved permanently. Actually, when the computer will be formatted or anything will happen, then the notes will be not there. So this is the problem. So that is why we have Google Keep. Basically, Google Keep is the place where you can store your notes permanently. I can take a note. Firstly, I'll put the title to my future projects. This is up to you guys. You need to tell me some of the ideas on my future projects, so that can be helpful to you also, and that can be helpful for me also. So if you will mention my future projects which you would like to say me, so I will mention it here surely. So now let's say I want to remember my to do. So I'll just write here to do. Okay. Oops, this will be the title. So let me first keep the title. Okay. The first thing I need to do is tweet about your achievement in JavaScript. The second thing I would like to say about edit your YouTube video. Third thing, let's say make projects in HTML and CSS for practice. Okay, so this will be my helpful tool for every time. Like, see, this one is the pin Google Keep. So this is Google Keep, and it's just the best tool to remember your projects or remember your notes. This will be permanent. If you click here, like let's say I'm clicking here and I'll do it delete note, then it will be deleted. Okay, we are having many kind of options. You can just see here and you can do whatever you want. So this was about Google Keep. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.